If Jamaican kids were to try this trend,
Now listen, since we've had some issues with cussing,
Okay.
we are only going to cuss in the bathroom, okay? We are not cussing anywhere but in the bathroom. And we
Okay.
are not going to give the finger anywhere but in the bathroom. So mommy said it's okay for you to do this in the bathroom. That way you don't get in any more trouble and we can move forward.
I don't know what you're saying.
All right, are you about finished?
No.
Janet, don't do it. Don't do it, Janet. Janet, not do it.
Mommy.
Jesus. Yes.
They have this thing on TikTok where they allow children to express themselves, where we get a chance to curse bad word.
Excuse me?
But we have to curse bad word in the bathroom.
Okay.
And that's how we get to express our big feelings and emotion.
Yes, you should be free to express yourself.
I can go in the bathroom and curse bad word.
Yes, go ahead.